In this video, we will show you how to enable Guest Connection for Smart Device Connector. Guest Connection is an easy way for someone to connect to a Ricoh device without having to use a corporate network. Guest Connection is perfect for hotel lobbies, offices where employees visit on a temporary basis, or a conference hall. From the MFP, scroll to User Tools, or select the menu button and navigate to User Tools and select it. Next, select Screen Features. Now select Wireless Direct Settings and turn it on. Set the wireless connection to Group Owner Mode. Return to Screen Features. Press Port Forwarding to Machine. Check to see if port forwarding is active. If not, select Port Forwarding Settings. Now press Port Forwarding to make it active. Press the Home button. Scroll to the Ricoh Connector app and select it. If it has not yet been added to the screen, you will need to press the menu button and long press the Connector app to add it to the home screen. Now select Settings. Select Allow Usage by Guests. Now you are ready to connect your smart device to the device that you would like to control.